Most people waste hours watching YouTube videos when they could get the entire value in under 60 seconds. I've built dozens of AI automations, and this YouTube summary workflow is a game changer. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build this yourself, even if you have zero technical experience. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to locate a video that we're actually interested in and want to actually get a breakdown from. And so I just located this Ali Abdal video. It says my simple system, how I use AI to save 10 hours per week. But you can see that it's 18 minutes and it's quite long. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, the three dots, I'm going to say share, and I'm going to copy the link. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use this form over here in order to kickstart this automation. But before I do that, let me just make sure that this automation is ready to go. So I'm going to just say run once. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here, insert the YouTube link, and also where the breakdown is going to be sent. There we go. I'm going to say submit, boom. And that has been submitted. And as you can see, now the workflow is actually started. So let me explain what's happening here. So it got the YouTube link, and then now it's running an actor on Apify, and then we're just waiting 10 seconds in order to get all the information from the actor, and then from there it's actually getting the output of the transcript that is coming from the YouTube video. Then from there we're using AI to actually generate the actual breakdown and the key points of that specific video. From that, it's going to then pass it into a document. So we're actually creating a document from a template. From there, we're downloading the document, and then it's now sent to my email. Awesome stuff. So it's done. So let's go into my email inbox, and as you can see, it has been sent to me. It says here how I use AI to save 10 hours per week, and then summary. So I click on there and boom, you can see here that I've got an email and it says, hi there, please find attached your YouTube video summary, how I use AI to save 10 hours per week. And this video is from Ali. Great stuff. So I'm gonna do this and open it, and it was converted as a PDF, and look at how amazing this automation is. You can see that it has a video overview, so the title, the channel name, the channel subscription, as well as the topic. So productivity and AI workflows, awesome stuff. You can see that it says here core summary, so this is the core summary of the actual video. You can see that there are also key takeaways, by bullet point. You can also see that it mentions the tools, the frameworks, as well as the products mentioned that Ali was actually talking about. It has also a step-by-step breakdown, writing pipeline. So it has step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. It has such amazing insights when it comes to the actual video. You can see that it also has actionable insights, also lessons. It has quotable gems as well that Ali actually mentions, and then last but not least, it also has relevant links. So this is just a simple breakdown and research for this specific video, and it saves you hours and hours and hours of just watching the entire video and gaining actually these insights. So this is actually an amazing workflow, and I think it's a very, very awesome game changer. So let me go back into make.com and actually show you how I actually built it, right? So the first thing is you're going to start with this module over here, which is Tally, and this actually acts as a webhook. So you need to make sure that you actually set a form on Tally, and then for the form you're going to have just two sections, being the YouTube insert link as well as the email address where the breakdown is going to be sent. So that's what you're going to do in this module. Once you're done with that, then you are going to actually run an actor on Apify. So you need to make sure that you have an Apify account, and then you need to make sure that you locate the specific actor that you'll be using on Apify. For this example, I used an actor which was called, I think it was called YouTube transcript scraper. I'll link it down below so that you guys can check it out. So you can see that this module over here, you can see that here is the actor that I'm using on Apify, and then you can see that this is the input JSON. And so what I did here is that I just mapped the YouTube link that I'm getting from the previous module into this actor over here. That's all I did, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna click on save. Great stuff. And then the next module that you create is a tools module, and it's a sleep module. So what's important here is to make sure that you have a delay of 10 seconds. The reason for this is that it allows the previous module to actually finish in terms of getting the actual data. You'll realize quickly that if you try to do this without the sleep module, what's going to happen is that you're not going to actually get an output. It needs time in order to get the output, and that's why I set it as 10 seconds. Great. Once the 10 seconds is over, then you go into the next module, which is get data items. So once you get the dataset ID, you get it from this module over here, then you're just going to map it into the section over here. And then the rest of it, you just leave it as it is. You click on save. Then you go into the next module over here, which is a generate a response module. So you can see that I've got this long prompt that I'm using in order to get the key takeaways from the actual video. And I've mapped the transcript here so that it can be able to then get it from that specific video. Once I'm done generating the response, then I go into the next module over here. So it's important, now is the time where I'm actually converting or creating the document that's going to be sent to my email. So I do this using create a document from a template. And so how I did this is that you go into Google Docs, and then there's already a Google Docs template that I have created. This is the template that I created. You can see that this is dynamic data, and these are the calls that you need to have. So it says YouTube research, and everything that I'm getting from the AI model and the result is going to be inputted over here. So that's what's happening in this make step over here. So from here, you're just creating a title, and you're also locating where the document is going to be saved. Once you do that, you just click on save, and then it's important that you actually download the actual document. And what's nice about this step is that you can actually convert the document into, Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF, plain text, and HTML format. So for demonstration purposes, I just converted it into a PDF document. So that's what's happening over here. And you also then just map the document ID that you're getting from the previous module into here. So there it is. Okay, so you click on save, and then last but not least, this is where you are compiling your email to the recipient. So you can see that the recipient email address, this is my email address that I've put over here, and then the subject is going to be the video title - summary. And then for body type, you can leave that as it is because it's collection of content. And then what you do here is important to then compile your body. So I just said here, hi there, please find attached your YouTube video summary, and then it has the video title. And then you then can map the file that you are getting. So you can see that there's one file over here from OpenAI, but then here it also says Google Docs -download document. So this is the actual file that we want. So I just realized that this is actually taking the image file. So if we scroll down below over here, you can see that it's attachment 1, and this is where you also need to just click Google Docs download a document. Once you're done with that, you just need to click on save, and voila, you are done with building this automation. This is such a game-changing AI YouTube summary workflow, and I think it really provides a lot of value for a lot of people. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up and also comment down below what actually stood out for you. If you're interested in partnering and also working with me, please be sure to also book a free discovery call with me. I'll make sure that I put the link down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.